Hello. Today I will talk about the federal court levels. So, our first step is the district court. The federal level, the district court are the trial courts. There are 94 district courts. A magistrate judge assists district judge in everything except in trying or sentencing. Our next level is the U.S. Court of Appeals for the district. This is an intermediate court. There are 14 circuit courts which hear subject of matter rather than the geographic boundaries. Review decisions made by the district court. The number of judges can go from 1 to 29, and a panel of 3 judges decide to hear a case. It's only one time limit to appeal, and some cases can bypass the Court of Appeals and appeal a case directly to the Supreme Court. The next level is the U.S. Supreme Court. The court is also called the Court of the Last Resort. It's composed by 9 members, 1 Chief Justice, and 8 Associate Justice. In order to decide if they will hear a case, which is very limited case they hear a year, so they have the rule of 4, which means that 4 have to be agreed to hear a case, and they have a discretionary to hear a case. Most the case they hear is something that can deal with the civil rights or a national level. If they decide to hear a case, they grant a right or certiorari, which means that they ask to the level court to send all the documents and records in order to find a due process violation. And also sometimes can they act as a original jurisdiction. So instead of the trial court, they go some cases go directly to the Supreme Court. So some cases, one case that illustrate how the levels of the federal court work is the Brown versus Board of Education, a case from 1954. In this case, the Brown family filed a petition, a case in the Federal District Court of Kansas. But this court ruled against the Brown family, so the Brown family decided to appeal, but instead of go to the second level, which is the circuit court, they bypass this step and they go directly to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court decided to hear this case because other citizens in different cities were confronting with the same issue of segregation in school. So the other states were South Carolina, Virginia, and Delaware. So in the end, the Supreme Court ruled that separating children in school based on the race was unconstitutional and was a violation of the 14th Amendment.